Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today we're going to do what's in my bag with this 19A Reissue Mini, and this is in gold hardware, which is very pretty. I already removed the stickers and used it for 2 consecutive days, and I am just so happy to have this. So this is in calfskin and distressed leather, and this is really beautifully made. So this is soft, but it's not as delicate as the lambskin, since this is in calfskin. And inside looks like this. So it has a zipper compartment here at the back, just like the rectangular mini. So let's try to open it. This, and then it has one small slip pocket here, and then one huge compartment here in the middle. Let's see what can fit in here. When I was able to use this the last time, I have my Chanel card holder, and then I have this, supposing this is my cell phone, so I have my cell phone, and then I have this little pouch, which I have one lipstick and one of these, and then I can also put another lipstick inside. And then I brought my sunglasses, which is this, and this is the Carrera Sunglasses, which is not small, like it's in a medium size. Put it inside. So it looks like this, and then the sunglasses is on top, and it closes easily. So these are the stuff that I brought with me, and let's go ahead and play with other SLGs on how will it be arranged inside, just in case we'll use a different SLGs. So I'll remove all of these, and then let's try this Chanel Mini O case, and I have a Chanel lipstick, and then another hand sanitizer, and then I have a ponytail, and I have 3 perfume samples inside. So let's put this in here. So I'm gonna put this in. So I think I can fit one more card holder, and then let's do this Ray-Ban sunglasses because it's slimmer. Let's see if we can put this on top. This is what it looks like, and then there's also space here at the side where you can put like a hand sanitizer and a lipstick. So this is what it looks like, and let's try closing it. There. So let's try Louis Vuitton SLGs inside. Here, let's try this Victorine wallet. And then let's try this mini pochette. So I have a face spray and then another lipstick here. So let's see if it will fit. It fits, and then there's still like space in here where you can put, let's put one lipstick and one hand sanitizer. So yeah, it fits. It's just a little harder to close, but it still fits. So mine doesn't really sag like it's supposed to, like being folded in here, so it can sag like the usual reissue, but I'm glad that mine stays flat like that. Yeah, it fits a mini pochette, a Victorine wallet, and then this 2 small stuff. So let's try putting this Chanel card holder and then another card holder, and let's try a cell phone. So there's still space and we can still shove this two things in there. And let's put the sunglasses on top, and it closes easily. So this may be small, but it really fits your essentials, and I'm really glad that it can fit as much as I hope it will. So two Chanel card holders, one cell phone, and this. I'm gonna pack this and then let's try to transfer it in my rectangular mini and see how much will it fit. I'll try to put this back again, the mini case, and then this Chanel card holder like this, put it in here, and then let's try to see if I can fit a cell phone at the back, and this too here at the side. So I really packed this well, and as you can see here at the side, it's like protruding. And then let's see if I can put here a slim sunglasses on top, and let's try to close it. I can't seem to close it there, so I was able to close it. This is so packed, and this is what it looks like inside. I'll remove the sunglasses. See that? Like, it is so packed, and we'll transfer it to my Chanel rectangular mini. Let's put the card holder in, and then this cell phone, this too. So I think we cannot fit the cell phone, so that's the only difference. So no cell phone, just the card holder and this mini case, and then this too, lipstick, and this. Let's try to see if I can put the sunglasses on top and close it. So it closes except for the cell phone. It makes sense as this mini reissue is a little wider than the rectangular mini. As you can see them both, this rectangular mini is a little bit longer. It's not much, but like, see this? It's a little bit longer, but the reissue is a little bit wider. So let's see. I'll flatten it up. Yes, so that's the difference. So this is a little bit wider, but the rectangular mini is a little bit longer. So I did some mud shots on my unboxing video, comparing both purses, but I'll just go ahead and do another mud shots comparing both of these. So again, guys, thank you for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day, and please stay tuned for the mud shots. Bye.